Na bwe kaunti yo Mheshimiwa Dr. James Gesami hanyara ko bakagwe soke na kuruko bole go cha sabara ibonsi abo bachoro ko ase kaunti ya Nyamira kone kyabuna umoko muya o 2025 oyo okagere go chaka nigo abari abwente go chamo bunenjire mo yoko bwatira na kone kyango ikirani barobo korari obuya na bego amagendro ase kaunti yo Mheshimiwa Gesami nigo bega kwanire hokobe kwarro kwe ekyombe kirigetendere tobo chori ne chimbebe aiga Kenya kya IEBC ekiraje ko konya kaunti ya Nyamira konyara ko bakego ichoria ebirogo bitatu byo MCA ebyo tabwati barayi karaboni kabune njire mo yoko eneke abuno bokoreri obuyana mono kurwa serikali ye county ngoikira bure ase abananchi ase kinsemo kya mashinani Mheshimiwa Gesami nigo chinga kicho cyanyara kubaga ko mochege tambukero kyabasa babere bago chererwa na gusira ase chinchira chobo tukano asama tukabwangwega asebona tebire ne chinga kyabasa yabo baegwiri baga lyoko eneke obusibole bwabo bwechinkwana na bego kwegandira ase meroberio yabo tamba
yango tabango mwaka oyo 2024 was mwaka wa challenges nyingi sana ingakie yengo tebya abantu bamintunga umugabano ito na all leaders, that is our senator, women rep na bachumbe bonsi na ba MCA toikaransa together tumanyana na kitoko manage ibintu biye chika county ya Nyamira nego tenga abantu banyamira they depend on us for services like yamangana marioko chipara education amachi depends on us. We have been given money whatever I ever know chinke to provide these services to the people. Wonko boria bantu baito korera bananchi gasi tobe komukia to identify priorities iyegere tokorera abantu gasi ngabona ba MCA they need to oversight gasi to gukora in the executive so ese umugabana deputy minister 9 valitole in the executive we must implement project ngibwena deko okorwa aba MCA digereria ini wawo singero ge ndi dokibitara akorwa moto push gavana nga this should be done, ABCD should be done. Igo tigato yamo mwakoyo tuikaransa together to decide nga kitoko konya to kora abantu banyamire gasi ninchoyo mo bongo te banga IBC umuraria it's long overdue and ngabono Nyamira ga iganto bwate birogo bitatu bire representatives, which is very bad. You know, I joined the rest of the country in this message that our president, parliament, and with everybody, including judiciary, to make sure to awaken IPC as soon as yesterday. Amangana abductions, amangana bana bake bakulika amangana semetandao ili ageride abantu abaskari na security system ya country ngima yabekira abana ya abductiri wasoko watu bako irwese tutamatinechera usinechi nyumba usina arai inamangana mabe sana ase tuwaikire bono Kenya ende kwere nona barai soronga asiyoro murai nende ngabona tubabeire tubwate metandao internet kindi nkiyo turabise kuruwe saba abantu abana baito turabise kuruwe saba raibande igo boikatunyare u accommodate amangana ya abana abagukwana